Okay, Brett, we're going to go over the assignment real quick because I do need you to get started like right away. You're going to go into your class. You're going to go into week 7. You're going to go into Tuesday. Just a reminder that you go to the library and complete your assignment. If you don't show up to school, you still have to complete the assignment, okay? This is the same assignment that you started yesterday, but I put it here. So now you're going to find it in here, okay? In mean, median, mode, range. You already did the medium. So when you open, I'm only asking you to do 3 things. There are 10 questions. They're the same ones we did on the paper, okay? Uh, you are going to go in here and I'm going to preview it as though I was a student. So it's going to ask you to start your new attempt. You can open that attempt. It says that every question will read the same way. Find the median, mode, and range for the following set of data and make sure you label your responses. Meaning that I don't want just answers. I want it to look just like this. So here's your set of data right here. Okay. There's your data. And let me move this over here a little bit more. When you take this data, I want you to make it easier on yourself is take this, highlight it, and then you're going to right click on it. You're going to copy it and put it in here. And when you put it in here, when you find that information, you're just going to enter whatever the median is. So let's look at the mode, okay? Because I can do that without having to do any math. Um, the mode is the number that happens the most. Well, in this case, the mode is 12, so you will put just 12 there. The range is the number that I get when I take the highest number, and in this case, the highest number happens to be 38, right? And you enter that number 38 in my calculator. So I'm going to take my calculator and enter 38. And then I'm going to subtract the lowest number. And in this case, the lowest number is 12. So when I subtract, I get 26. So the range is 26. Okay. The median or the numbers when I rearrange them, and I'm going to need paper and pencil, and you need to have it. They'll give it to you at the library, or you can use it at home, is when you put them in order. So when I put these numbers in order, I can do it here if I want to. I end up with 12, and there's another 12. And then I have a 15, right? And then I have what do I have next? A 24. Then I have a 31. And then I have a 38. And I just want to make sure that I did them all correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this case, I happen to have 2 numbers in the middle, right? There's 2 on this side and 2 on this side. So I am not done. So what I need to do now is take the 15 and add the 24. And that's going to give me the sum. So when I look, I take my calculator, 15 plus 24. That gives me 39. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to divide that number by 2. And that's going to give me my mode. So I'm going to take my 39 divided by 2, and I get 19.5. So that is my median. All right, so I already did number 1 for you. You can go ahead and do the rest by yourself. Again, make sure you highlight this part, copy it, paste it, and stick it in here, because if they're not if they are not labeled, I don't know what you're doing, okay? Make sure you submit it, and that's all you're going to have to do for today. It's going to take you some time, and I need it completed. It was supposed to be done yesterday, and you did not complete it. So whatever you submit today, at the end of the day, that's going to be your grade. It's going to be a summative, and it counts for 60% of your grade.